cracking eggs.
Did I do a white one or a brown one?
This one was brown. Well, you're very good at this.
So the white ones are yellow. And this is kind of like this. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You grab it.
So we're going to just hit it a couple times and then pull it apart. And we're going to go slow so I can match you. You're leaving without me again.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, sorry guys. That's not cool.
Do you need it?
I can beat.
We're not beating the eggs, buddy. We're breaking the eggs. Right? Yeah? All right, this time Mommy's going to lead. That didn't work. I mean, it kind of worked.
Hi guys.
All right, you kind of left without me that time to open your egg. This time you're going to open your egg when Mom opens her egg. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, pick your egg. Pick your egg.
It just floated over me.
Watch Mom. 1, 2, and open. Perfect. Oops, except I dropped the egg in there. Okay, thanks for your help.
Now I want to beat it.
You can beat it.
Mama, I'm making gingerbread man.
Excellent. Pink gingerbread men, huh? Where'd you put the milk, Lulu? Oh, here it is. Will you eat some eggs with Mom?
Maybe that's one.
Maybe just one. And go find your pancakes.
Can I beat yours?
Huh?
Can I beat yours?
Sure.
Okay.